Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is logo design. So first of all, I will change my thumbnail. Then I will go for the logo design, and it will be the typographical logo. So let's start and make some logo. So first of all, here I will edit here. You can see here. Okay, here you can see I will edit here. Sorry, typographical logo. Sorry, there we go. The logo. Then okay, it is fixed now. I will change this color here. Color. His color will be the. His color should be the. This color, deeper blue, and it should be the. I'll give a stroke here, and it's one. Then I will make it white, make it white. And then I will change its color. Its color should be the blue, and its color here should be the blue. Now how it look like, I think it's pretty good. Now I will save it here. I'm gonna save it, and here, and I'm going to export it as PNG format, and now export it. Okay, replace it with the first. Okay, now I am going to the new template for the typographical logo design. It will take some time, so let's wait. Okay, every logo design you have to take 10 into 10 inch template, so I am select this 10 into 10 inch template. Yes, I got it. 10 into 10 inch template. Now now I will write a letter which is DSIG and design. Then I will begin, and I will. Okay, here you can see. Okay, I think it should be the bigger, so I'll make it 150. 150. Now this is the logo. Okay, sorry. Now I will go to the create outline and make it ungroup. Then I will make here gradient, which should be the this, and this. Okay, now I will go for the effect, and use shadow here. Okay, here you can see I make a shadow here, and how it look is 3D. You can change it in many ways. So this is the one design, and now I will copy it. Sorry. Oh, now I will work on it, and I will go for the view. Sorry, I will. Sorry, here I'll go to the Windows and change here something. Now how it look like? You can see here how it look like. If I change here something, if I change here something, make it red, then it will be the red. And now if I change its color, turn it into black. Now how it look like? It's black. And then I will go for the green here, green. Then it should be green. This is the another design, and now I will work on it. Now I will go for the okay. I will go for the effect and make it 3D. Sorry, sorry. I think here is some problem. So yeah, you can see here. This is the 3D design. This is 3D design, and now I will is it is a simple problem. So how it look like now? Sorry, here is some not responding problem. It's not a big issue. Now you can see here how it look like, and this is also a design here. You can see You can change here many things. What I want, I will change here the color. I will change here the color of red. Sorry, it takes some time. Yes, it takes some times, and how it look like you can see. This is very good design. I make here drop shadow and the the gradient color, the drop eye, everything you can see here, and I will show you the more things on the next class. Today's class is very fantastic, and please watch it and work on it or on it and try it out at your home, please. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz. Thank you. To subscribe my channel, please.